I'm so excited for this product. This is a fridge and heater at the same time. So you can cool your food or you can heat up your food if you're going on a long trip, if you bring your food with you throughout the day, if you have a lunch bag. You no longer have to eat your food cold. And this is a better way of keeping your food cool and have it accessible to you while you're inside the car. As you know, I have the trunk fridge already in here. You can save 25% off with my code TFIG, so you can get this fridge for about 200 bucks on sale with the discount of my coupon code. So go ahead and check it out. So I can fit a lot of drinks in the trunk fridge. I can fit about like 12 drinks. I can fit 3 or 4 containers of my food, of my meals throughout the day. The issue is when I'm driving, I can't just reach back in the trunk to grab either my food or my drinks. So with this, I can now just reach behind the driver's seat, or the passenger can reach behind the passenger seat, open this up, grab a drink, grab some food. That is so accessible, straight from the driver's seat. And the fact that you can warm up your food is just absolutely amazing. I really love it. And it's so simple to open up. I'm just gonna show you. Push this button, boom, there you go. You have a little tray here if you need it. And it has some rubber mounts on it, so it's silent. It's not gonna make any noise if it wiggles. You have all your controls up here. You have cooling and heating, and you can change the temperature straight from this touchscreen. And there's the USB-C port. So let's go ahead and put this in. Okay, so we're gonna take the bracket here, and you see we have this lip on the bottom. Basically, this lip is gonna go under here, and this will put the 2 holes towards the fridge like this. So we're gonna stick the lip under here like so, and when it catches, we're just gonna stand it straight up. So it went in on the left side there. I have to push it in on both sides. Okay, went in on the right side, now the left. We can see it is fully in there now. It's supported, so we can just push it up like that. And let's grab the fridge and connect it there and screw in the 2 thumb screws. Okay, so just pushing in the fridge here, and we can see that's where the hole is on the left. We just have to get it to match the bracket. So push it down a little lower. Just have to find the right angle to push the fridge in to get the hole. Once the hole matches, we can screw it in. And also, once you get the fridge in, you can just push here. It has a little lip, so it clicks in to the bottom of the touchscreen area here where the USB-C ports are, so it's a perfect fit. It looks super, super OEM. Okay, I had to push the seat forward a little bit more, but we can see the screw hole matches the hole in the bracket there now. So I'm just gonna go ahead, push this in, and just screw it in with my thumb. And then I'm gonna get the other side too, once I get this side fully in. There. And there we go, perfect. Getting the other side in here now, the driver's side. Same thing, you have to push the driver's side seat forward. And there we go. It is locked in tight there now. I can't move it at all. And then finally, we're gonna connect this USB-C bracket here, which is super thin, so that we don't just have some USB-C cable just hanging out in the open here. And we'll go ahead and plug this right in, like so. Get this side in too. Okay, and it is now powered on. So this one's actually in Celsius here. I've seen a previous one online that was in Fahrenheit. Let's see how low we can go in Celsius. All right, so the lowest we can go is 5 Celsius, which is this amount in Fahrenheit. And we can also set it to heat. I believe we have to hold this down. So when we set it to heat, we can really increase it. So it started at 40 Celsius and it goes up to 50 Celsius. So that is this amount in Fahrenheit. And there we go. So we can go ahead, push this button, pull it out, and we can see our interior here of the fridge. And there we go. Okay, so when you set it, it shows you the temperature that you set it to, and then it shows you the actual temperature. So it does take some time. I can already feel that it's starting to heat up there, but it will take some time for the interior temp to go up to the heat. But since it's already slightly cold, we'll set it to the cold setting here. And let's see how many drinks we can fit inside. So I'm taking some drinks from my trunk fridge here. We're gonna go ahead and see how many we can fit in the new fridge that we have under the rear touchscreen. So I have a few left. This was pretty full last week, but let's start with 4. Actually, I'll take all 5 I have left in here and let's see if we can get it out. Okay, so we have our drinks down here. Let's go ahead, open this up, and let's see how many drinks we can fit inside. So, fit 1 over there, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so this fits 4 soda cans perfectly. I just have some seltzer here, some sparkling water. This is a spice cider flavor from Whole Foods, 0 calories, of course. Nice little treat here to keep in the car. And that's really all you need, especially if you have the rear trunk fridge too. You only really need a few drinks in here because of course you can always stop to refill the inside fridge here. All right, there we go, guys. That was the rear passenger fridge from Tilliard. Again, you can save 25% off. What an amazing idea for the car. Again, I have always been using the rear trunk fridge from Tilliard. Since I put it in, that thing has been a blessing in disguise. I no longer have to keep my food in a cooler. I still bring the cooler to the car. I then unload it into the rear trunk fridge. So I have food in there and I have drinks. So now I can keep just drinks inside the car, which is great. So many times I'll grab a drink from the trunk fridge, bring it in to the front of the car with me, but my drive ends up being an hour or more. I'm going somewhere pretty far, and obviously I drink that drink. So I want to get another drink, but I don't want to stop the car. Obviously I'm going to lose time wherever I'm going if I stop the car. So to have some drinks accessible from the driver and passenger seat, I can just reach behind and grab it. Or if you have kids in the back seats or friends, whatever, you can just always have a loaded drink section there, which is so cool. Such a nice convenience thing. Of course, it's not necessary by any means, but everything I do here on this channel for this car is all convenience for me. I think I'm gonna get great use out of this. I can keep 3 or 4 meals in the trunk fridge with a couple drinks, and when I'm ready to eat every 2.5, 3 hours, I can throw a meal into the fridge under the touchscreen there, put it on the heat setting. Even if I'm out somewhere and I'm at an event or something, whatever, I can have my food ready to go, ready to eat, nice and hot when it's time for me to eat. So for me, this is this is a no-brainer. Obviously, for some people, you would feel no need for this. This is great though if you have kids or you always have company in the back seats of the car. I just think it's an awesome product. I've been getting so much use out of the trunk fridge, like I said, and this is just a great addition on top of the trunk fridge. I do like that the trunk fridge has way more space. You can fit about 12 cans in there. This, you can only fit 4 cans, but the trunk fridge is not accessible when you're driving. So if you don't want to have to stop the car, then this is a better option. Or you can have both, or you can see whatever's more important to you. Personally, I really like the trunk fridge, but I've been dying to have an accessible fridge inside the car, so I'm glad that I finally have this now. This, in accordance with the trunk fridge, is just the ultimate fridge setup in the car. When I first got the trunk fridge for my car, I told my coach and he thought that was the best idea ever. He was asking if they make one for his car too. Of course, we have such cool accessories for Teslas. I think this is really awesome. The whole community and accessory section for Teslas, there's so many modifications of accessories available. I'm happy, my coach is happy, I'm getting my meals in, so this is great. And just for the average person, my girlfriend, it's awesome to have a fridge in here. My dad wants a fridge for the Model 3 Highland, so we're gonna get a fridge for the Model 3 Highland. Most people carry a cooler with them, so having a fridge is just like a 24/7 cooler. I buy drinks from Whole Foods or wherever I'm shopping just to store drinks in there, because now I'm like, okay, I don't have to worry about bringing a bunch of bottles with me when I'm on the road somewhere. I can just have a couple seltzers or whatever 0-calorie drinks that I'm drinking at the time, and probiotic drinks as well, right? So this again has just been such a cool mod. Thank you guys so much for watching. Without you guys watching, this channel would not be possible. I'm able to bring you guys this content and these products all because of you. So thank you so much for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. I'm uploading videos every other day on the Model Y Juniper and the Model 3 Highland. So as new things come out for these Teslas, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Again, I understand the fridge may not be for everybody, but it's a very nice convenience item to have, and you can go ahead and get it down in the link below. So thanks for watching.